I'm Dr. Craig Butler, your Northwest Ohio chiropractor, and this is Kyle. And Kyle's been coming in for some back pain. He drives a truck and is a farmer, so he beats himself up pretty good. And we saw him on Monday after not seeing him for a few months, and he got a lot of relief after Monday's treatment. And he's just got a couple spots here we're going to clean up. And then we might check him again in a week or so to see how things are going. So we're going to start off by adjusting his left SI joint, and then we're going to come up into his TL junction on the left side as well. And everything else is feeling pretty good. So let's have you lay on your side facing this way, Kyle. This is a side posture adjustment. We're contacting right on the left SI joint, create some tension, and there it moved. Real nice. Let's go over to the other side. That adjusted the joint into flexion. Now we're going to adjust that joint, same joint into extension. Just a little bit. We'll have you face down, Kyle. The other spot, right at about T12L1, there it is right there. That's a little more restricted than lateral bending, so we're going to put him into lateral bending so that we can create that motion. Take a deep breath in for me, and let it all out. Then go left to right, a little bit more. There it goes. Kyle moves pretty easy. He's a pretty active guy. Just a little one here at the base of his neck. Over, let turn. Let your left shoulder relax. Good. You driving today, Kyle?
Yeah, later.
Yeah. Not a good day to be driving, though. It's about -2 outside right now. So I commend Kyle for making it in this morning. That's just the air temp, that's not the wind chill. What do they say, like -15? The wind chill? Still not moving great here, that T12L1. We're going to have Kyle turn over on his back. Cross your arms. Put your feet on the table. Good. Yeah, just like that. Real tight with the elbows. Let the elbows come down. One more. There. Okay. Turn on your side again that way. You'll notice on this adjustment we're going to contact a little higher. Lock that headpiece. Can you straighten that bottom leg for me? Push your stomach out. Oh, there it was. face down. That's better. Always give them a good buff and polish at the end. It feels pretty good. Makes some people a little itchy when I stop. Do you get itchy when I do this? No. Okay, let's bring you back in the chair. So we always like to do our last check back in the chair where we started. That left SI is moving great now. That's moving good too. Look straight ahead. Neck's feeling good? Yeah. Alright. Everything's feeling good right now. I'm Dr. Butler, your Northwest Ohio chiropractor. Have a good day.